Okay, this is the painting for the Peter Max project. So you're going to start with just 3 colors. You want to pick bright colors to start with. So I've got yellow and a turquoise and a pink. You'll have a bigger size brush. We're not going to have small brushes to start. And I'm going to go with the lightest one, which is the yellow. And I'm going to paint really quickly. And you'll notice that because we're using this type of paint, which is tempera paint, you can paint really quickly with it, but it doesn't, it's kind of see-through. So the color that we're whatever ends up on the paper, like the way that color shows up, looks a little bit different than it does when we first started. I'm not even going to wash my brush out, y'all. I'm just going to wipe the color off of my brush when I'm ready to switch colors. But I'm going to paint all of the yellow spaces first. And I'm just going to work, as quick as I can. It's okay if I get out of the lines a little bit on this step. What you're trying to do here is lay down the base color. You're not trying to worry about all the little details yet. You're just trying to get the main color down on the paper. Remember, we're going to work on the details another day. So I'm painting quickly. And instead of washing my brush out, I'm going to wipe my brush out on another piece of paper. I call that a messy mat. So we're just starting with the 3 colors. To pay attention to how fast I'm going. It's going to dry pretty quickly too. Another thing you have to be careful about when you're painting with this kind of paint is that you don't rub your brush on your paper too much, because you can make a hole. That's because this paint has a lot of water in it. It's very moist. Remember, painting quickly, not worrying about staying in the lines. This is why I told y'all to draw big. My brush is even too big for me to get into the tiny details of these umbrellas, and that's okay. So I'm going to have to be able to get some color there. I'm getting outside the lines, and that's okay. We're going to add the details, and we're going to trace and re-outline after we get this first coat of paint on our paper.